Ever wondered how AI can watch a video and understand it? It's not just about seeing frames. It's about decoding the dance of movement, objects, and scenes over time. But here's the catch. Video AI is slow. Why? Because it's processing billions of tiny data units called tokens, like trying to read a book by analyzing every single letter instead of whole words. This is where a breakthrough from Yonsei University comes in. They've developed a technique called STTM, Spatio-Temporal Token Merging. That's like giving AI a superpower, speed without sacrificing accuracy. Let's break it down. Imagine you're watching a 10-minute video of a cat jumping on a couch. Your brain effortlessly spots the cat, even if the background is static. But for AI, every frame is a mountain of data. Traditional methods either retrain models, which is slow, or discard tokens based on guesswork, like throwing away puzzle pieces without knowing the picture. STTM takes a smarter approach. It exploits what we all know. Videos are full of repetition. A static background, a moving object, or a repeated gesture, all these are redundant signals. The key idea: merge tokens where they're most similar, without retraining. Here's how it works. 1. Spatial merging. Think of each frame as a puzzle. STTM uses a quad tree, a structure that splits images into coarse and fine details. It keeps the big picture, coarse tokens, where things are similar and zooms in on details where they're different. 2. Temporal merging. Then it looks across frames. If two frames have similar content, STTM merges their tokens temporally, like stitching a timeline. It only merges tokens that overlap spatially between frames, preserving critical details. The proof is in the numbers. Under a 50% token budget, cutting tokens in half, STTM is 2x faster with just a 0.5% drop in accuracy. At 30%, it's 3x faster with a 2% drop. And here's the kicker: it's query agnostic. Once it processes a video, it can reuse cached data for multiple questions, like a smart assistant remembering context between chats. Traditional methods either recompute for every question, slow, or throw away tokens blindly, lossy. STTM. It's a balance, efficient and accurate. In tests across 6 video QA benchmarks, it outperformed existing techniques, especially on tricky tasks like finding a needle in a haystack or long videos. But STTM is just one piece of the puzzle. Researchers are pushing the boundaries of video AI with innovations like Flash Attention 2, which optimizes attention mechanisms to handle longer sequences without slowing down. Then there's Framefusion, which intelligently merges frames to reduce computational load while maintaining accuracy. Techniques like ring attention and blockwise transformers mimic human temporal processing, breaking videos into manageable chunks while retaining context. For those diving deeper, masked autoencoders like Video-MAE focus on critical details by learning to ignore redundant data, much like how we notice sudden changes in a scene. Meanwhile, Dicoke and Lookchem tackle token compression and memory optimization, enabling models to handle millions of tokens without losing precision. These methods are rigorously tested on benchmarks like MVBench and EgoSchema, ensuring real-world viability. This isn't just about faster AI, it's about making video understanding practical. From surveillance to education, STTM and its peers could power real-time analysis without sacrificing quality. So next time you watch a video, remember, behind the scenes, AI is doing some serious heavy lifting, and now it's doing it faster than ever. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns from videos, hit subscribe. And drop a comment below. What's one thing you'd love AI to understand from a video? Let's chat.